This is the NOT gate. This is the OR gate. This is the AND gate. And together they are the Logic Gate Squad! Wait a minute. What do they actually do? Well, when engineers design circuits, they need to have a way to explain the behavior of the circuit. For example, if we tell a circuit designed to calculate to add 4 and 7, we expect to get an 11. And if we add 2 and 3, 11 isn't such a good answer anymore. We need to get a 5. And that is the behavior of the circuit. We describe the behavior using logic gates. A logic gate only works with Boolean values. This makes sense since we know computers work with ones and zeros, or electrical current and no electrical current, on and off, which is like true and false in this case. Some values enter a gate. We call those inputs. One value exits. We call that the output. The output is affected by the inputs depending on the gate's behavior. We describe this behavior in a truth table. This is a NOT gate. It has one input, and the output, as the name suggests, is the opposite of the input. The output is not the input. We'll mark the input A. If A is 1 or on, then not A is 0 or off. If A is 0, then not A is 1. This is the OR gate. This time we have two inputs, A and B. And the behavior of the output, called A or B, checks if either one of the inputs is 1. So if A is 1, if B is 1, or both are 1, the output is 1. If both are 0, then so is the output. This is the AND gate. The output A and B is 1 if both inputs are 1. Any one of them or both is 0 and the output is 0. Now, with these gates, an engineer can design very complicated behaviors, like taking as input two binary numbers and outputting their added value. However, while these three are the basic logic gates, we have a few more gates and their symbols that we can use. The NOR is a NOT-OR combination. The NAND is a NOT-AND combination. The XOR is often called mutually exclusive and will output 1 whenever the inputs are different, 0, 1 or 1, 0, and 0 whenever they are the same. Interestingly, you can use just one gate, like a NOR or a NAND, to replicate the behavior of the three basic gates, and consequently all other gates. Now that you know a little bit about the Logic Gate Squad and their friends in the Logic Gate League, it's time for you to try them yourself and explore their superpowers.